cut across to get the latest reaction. I have Mr. Rahul Narweakar, Speaker of the current incumbent government. He's on this phone line with us. Mr. Narweakar, what do you make? There seems to be moral pressure right now that the disqualification actually takes place. That is what the Uddhav faction is asking.
See, there is the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court has just been delivered. They have given their ruling on various issues. I understand from the judgment is, number one, the Honorable Supreme Court has made it abundantly clear, absolutely clear, that it is only the Speaker who will decide the disqualification petitions. Number two, they have mentioned that the decision of recognizing the whip should be based on what the political party has stated and not what the legislature party has stated. Therefore, the whip appointed by the political party should be considered to be the right appointment. And three, they have further gone to say that in the present scenario, in June 2022, June-July 2022, who represented the political party is to be determined by the Speaker after conducting an in-detail inquiry. And therefore, these are three very important issues which the court has ruled on. With regards to the governor's role, they have made it absolutely clear that that is only academic, and in the facts of the case, no reliefs can be granted based on that decision of the court. And therefore, it is now for the Speaker to take a decision on the disqualification based on recognition as to who really represented the political party at the relevant point of time.
Lots of observations are also made in terms of the current whip of the legal whip, recognized whip of being Mr. Sunil Prabhu of the UBT faction, which was of course the Uddhav Thackeray faction, the Shiv Sena at that point of time, and calling the appointment of Bharat Gogavle as illegal.
See, please appreciate that the Schedule 10 as it stands, there is no clear direction given as to whether it is the political party or it is the legislature party who appoints the whip and who decides. Because at the end of the day, a legislature party is a creation of the political party itself. And now that the court has given a clarification and clear interpretation of the provisions, they have ruled that it is the political party who should decide the whip. Now that being the case, we will decide it accordingly. But at the relevant point, there was no clear guideline under Schedule 10. Otherwise, we would have taken those guidelines.
But Mr. Narweakar, the instruction is also that the Speaker has to take decision very quickly on the disqualification of the 16 MLAs of the Shinde faction. Now, this is what the Uddhav faction says in collaboration with the fact that the appointment of Bharat Gogavle has been deemed illegal by the crop court.
Please appreciate that this court at no point of time has given a timeline for deciding, although it will be the endeavorance of the Speaker to decide it at the earliest possible moment. However, before deciding, there are various other exercises which the Speaker has to carry out. Prima facie, preliminarily, he will have to first decide as to who was in control of the political party at the relevant time. Thereafter, he will have to decide the petition based on merit, where all the provisions of CPC are applicable. There will be everyone under principles of natural justice will have to be given an opportunity to put forth their case. There will be examination, evidence-led. There will be cross-examination, examination in chief. The entire process will have to be carried out.
The entire process will have to be carried out, sir, but now there is going to be mounting moral pressure at least, where the Uddhav faction is concerned that the Speaker does constitutionally the right thing.
Speaker has always constitutionally done the right thing. I would like to clarify very clearly that the Speaker at no point of time has done anything that is unconstitutional. And therefore, for anyone to assume that the Speaker won't do anything, something which is constitutional, is completely out of line. Let me assure you and your viewers that the Speaker's office is a neutral office. The Speaker's office is apartisan, and we shall abide by our constitutional duties to the T. and there is no question about that.